So, your client licensed the perfect image to use in their project, but the vector file is nowhere to be found. Instead of manually recreating each and every shape with the pen tool, let's try out the content-aware tracing tool, which can be enabled in your preferences under Technology Previews. Once the tool is selected, you'll have a few options at the top to set the types of edges it'll detect and the level of detail. And with that set, all there is left to do is click around the edges, and Photoshop will create separate shapes of all of your objects. And best of all, since they're completely vector, the colors can be changed and they can be scaled without fear of pixelation.